This is where our big cats eat. And their litter boxes are inside there. Julio's kind of checking it out. They kind of use the step stools, and then that garbage can's attached to the door of the cabinet to get up on the counter. So there's Akora. Checking him out. Here's my little buddy. He's not usually in here. You can tell he's not super confident, but he's definitely curious. Hi guys. Hi Sakura. Hi Dexter. Dexter, how you doing, buddy? Hey buddies. Checking out all the catty places here, huh? May have cheated and put Julio up here so he could check out the cat places. Dexter sniffing him. How do I get down from here, Ma? Hi, Dexter. You gonna show him? Good boy. He's like, oh, there's some food up here. But I don't know if I like this food. He just ate his wet food, so he's probably not hungry. I love watching him check everything out. What are you doing, buddy? Should I help you down the first time? What do you think, huh? No need to help him. Look at that, he jumps right down onto the floor. No need for that step stool. He's Akora. Oh my goodness, here comes Zoe to guard her food. She can be a little food possessive, so I have to watch her. Our old cat Ellie Mae, who passed away in February, used to always eat the dog's food first. So I guess he's got to get used to a cat getting into the food again, right? Zozo, be nice. Be nice. Back up. Okay. Yeah, don't worry, Zoe. I'm not going to let him eat your food tonight, okay? All right, little buddy. That's it for our utility room adventures for tonight.